Yes, artists, so come in, man. You don't know special, you know, right? Nice to meet
BTV. Straight.
everybody who are here, so everybody.
BTV. Big up yourself here. Drake, yo, remember that. And like I said, Drake, yo, look out for me. New video, new song. Check my Instagram at the real Drake quality. And then I have the real, I have the Drake got the ish. Drake got the ish underscore. So that's Drake got the underscore ish. Remember that. Drake got underscore ish. And the real Drake quality. IG, Anson, Drake, you look out for that. Right now we're there, Maureen party. BTV, and we are celebrated the one of the artists them there, Grizzle, you understand, Manda Elgin, you understand, Maureen, EMA, you understand, and we are, it, it's easy, but
All right, so we have to say bless up to everybody, We have to say bless up. Marie, hear me? Happy birthday to you both. I remember I said this is a magic touch, 17210, Linden Boulevard in Jamaica, Queens. Where big things are going. Come out, have a good time. We have domino, we have food, we have music, everything. Just come out and have a good time, yeah? So go on, enjoy and fudge on yourself and bless up everyone. Like, once again, happy birthday, yeah?
Right. One love once again. Happy birthday, Amy and Miss Amy and Miss Marie. And we're here at Magic Touch, 17210, Linden Boulevard. Amanda Elgin. Good stuff coming soon. Elgin Sound. BTV. All right. One love.
what's up on mic? Happy birthday again, yeah? Happy birthday. Yeah, I see.
Happy birthday, Trevi, happy birthday. All right. Yeah? No, man, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday one time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
After three. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Marian Amy. Happy birthday to you. Bo, 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 bo.